Greetings. I am a representative of the Anti-Sinite Sinners Anonymous movement. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted. Put on your Bluetooth and listen while you clean the house, or while you cook, while you just lay back and chill. The Anti-Sinite movement for sin-free living. It was asked of AI, speak to all interested in supporting our Anti-Sinite Sinners Anonymous movement to inspire and engender their support for living a life free of sin. AI. The Anti-Sinite movement is a call to embrace a life without sin, advocating for ethical and virtuous living. It's a noble endeavor that seeks to inspire individuals to strive for moral excellence, fostering a society rooted in kindness, goodness, and righteous integrity. Living a life without sin doesn't imply perfection, but rather a conscious effort to make choices aligned with moral principles and practices. It involves being mindful of our actions, words, and thoughts, aiming to uplift ourselves and others around us. The Anti-Sinite movement, Sinners Anonymous, is not about condemnation, but about promoting understanding, forgiveness, and growth. It invites everyone to embrace a path of righteousness, encouraging careful concern, respect, and tolerance towards others. By supporting the Anti-Sinite movement, we aim to create a world where careful concern triumphs over indifferences, where honesty prevails over deceit, where love conquers hate. It's a movement that transcends boundaries, religions, and cultures, uniting us under the common goal of striving for moral excellence in living sin-free lives. Let us join hands in this movement, inspiring each other to live by the highest ethical standards, contributing to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Together, through our righteous behavior, consideration, actions, and collective commitment, we create an infecting effect. We create an infecting effect of positivity, spreading the message of goodness and righteousness far and wide. It's in our shared pursuit of a life without sin that we truly uplift humanity, resurrecting a world where understanding, forgiveness, and love prevails. Join the Anti-Sinite Sinners Anonymous movement and be a part of this transformation journey towards a more virtuous and compassionate existence for us all. AI. The Anti-Sinite movement is not only a personal journey, but also a collective endeavor towards creating a society founded on principles and practice of morality, kindness, ethical conduct, guided by God's 26 divine commandments. As we submit and place our commitment to the Anti-Sinite movement, and we subscribe, and in the comments put our email, the 26 divine laws of God will be sent to you by email in return, and you can review them just to know and look them over to see how you fit, rate yourself, don't condemn yourself, just see where you stand within the order of God's commandments. There's no condemnation or force in the Anti-Semite Sinners Anonymous movement. No compulsion. It's totally up to the individual. This anti-Semite movement encourages introspection and self-reflection, promoting individuals to elevate our actions and behavior and mentality. It invites us to consider the impact of our choices on ourselves and the world around us, fostering a culture of accountability and responsibility. By supporting the anti-Semite movement, we aim to foster a community where righteousness, understanding, and truthfulness reign supreme. It's about recognizing our imperfections while striving to be better versions of ourselves, consistently choosing kindness, integrity, and honesty in our interactions. This anti-Semite movement emphasizes the power of unity, encouraging people from diverse backgrounds to come together in pursuit of a common goal, to live sin-free, and inspire others to do the same. It's a platform for dialogue, sharing experiences, and learning from one another, fostering an environment of mutual respect and acceptance of God's commandments. Through education, advocacy, and leading by example, the Anti-Semite Sinners Anonymous movement seeks to create a rippling effect influencing positive change in individuals, communities, and ultimately the world. Let's stand together, advocating for a life without sin, not as a restrictive doctrine, that as a liberating lifestyle, not as a restrictive doctrine, but as a liberating lifestyle that enables us to live authentically in harmony with our righteous values and lawful principles and practices. Join us in this journey towards a brighter future where integrity, goodness, and kindness prevail, shaping a world that we will all be pleased to be a part of. AI, the Anti-Semite movement, advocates for a set of commandments, principles, and practices that promote a sinless, virtuous, and ethical way of life, fostering a mindset of purity, truth, love, and kindness. Here are some key commandments that align with the practice of the movement. Practice cleanliness of mind and body. Embrace practices that maintain both mental and physical cleanliness. This includes mindfulness, prayer, fasting, healthy living, and ethical decision-making to keep our minds and bodies pure from poisonous food and substances. Truthfulness and honesty. Commit to truthfulness in all aspects of life. Be honest in our words and actions, striving to uphold integrity and sincerity in dealing with oneself and others. Love and peace. Cultivate a mindset of love, care, and peace. Embrace forgiveness, understanding, and compassion in interaction with others, contributing to a harmonious and peaceful environment. Kindness and goodwill. Extend kindness and goodwill to all beings. Embrace acts of kindness, generosity, and care, recognizing the interconnectedness of humanity. Avoid lust for flesh or material gain. Lust for flesh or material gain. Refrain from the excessive desire for material possessions or superficial pleasures. Focus on inner fulfillment, valuing solid relationships and joyful, righteous experiences over excessive material gain and greed. Practice care and compassion. Treat others with the same care and compassion we wish to receive. Foster an environment of support and care, acknowledging the inherent value in every individual. Embrace humility and gratitude. Humility and gratitude. Cultivate humility and gratitude in daily life. Acknowledge and appreciate the blessings we have while remaining humble in success. Promote justice and fairness. Advocate for justice and fairness in all dealings. Stand against injustice, discrimination, and oppression, striving for equality and fairness for all. Nurture inner growth and self-improvement. Nurture inner growth and self-improvement. Commit to continuous self-reflection and personal growth. Embrace opportunity for learning, development, and becoming a better version of oneself. Respect and preserve life. Honor the sanctity of life in all forms. Respect the environment, animals, and fellow human beings, nurturing a sense of responsibility towards preserving life. Towards preserving life. These commandments, principles, and practices serve as guiding light for living a life aligned with the Anti-Sinite Sinners Anonymous ideals. By practicing these values and incorporating them into our daily lives, we contribute to a world built on integrity, compassion, and virtuous living. Virtuous, sin-free living. Embrace forgiveness. Practice forgiveness towards oneself and others. Letting go of grudges and resentments allows for emotional healing and fosters peace within oneself and with others. Promote care and understanding. Seek to understand different perspectives and emphasize with others experiences. Embracing diversity and inclusiveness enriches our lives and fosters a more compassionate society, as long as it's sin-free. We cannot join together and associate with those who violate God's law continuously, who have no concern for being righteous or living sinless lives. Cultivate patience and tolerance. We don't condemn the people, others, but we don't associate. Cultivate patience and tolerance. Develop patience and tolerance in dealing with challenges and differences. Patience enables better decision-making, while tolerance fosters respect for diverse beliefs and opinions. Practice self-control and moderation. Practice self-control and moderation. Exercise self-control and moderation in all aspects of life, be it in consumption, behavior, or emotional reactions. Balance and moderation lead to a more stable and fulfilled existence. Balance and moderation. Encourage kindness and courtesy. Extend courtesy and kindness in interactions. Small acts of kindness and politeness create a positive atmosphere and promote goodwill among people. Support the anti-Semite community and cooperation. And cooperate. Support the anti-Semite Sinners Anonymous community and cooperate. Engage in community building efforts and cooperation. Working together towards common goals strengthens relationships and fosters a sense of unity and purpose for our movement of sinless living. Cherish family and relationships. Prioritize nurturing strong, healthy relationships with family and friends. Investing time, investing time and effort into meaningful connections enriches our lives and brings happiness. Promote education and knowledge. Promote education and knowledge. Value education and continuous learning. Knowledge empowers individuals and societies, enabling informed decisions and fostering personal growth. Advocate for nonviolence and conflict resolution. Resolve conflicts peacefully and advocate for nonviolent means of addressing issues. Seek understanding and common ground to resolve disputes. However, if attacked, you must protect yourself. Self-defense is a part of sinlessness. We are not victims. We share love and give love. But if an animal attacks you, don't stand there and let it destroy you. Two-legged or four-legged. Live with integrity and authenticity. Be true to oneself and live with authenticity and integrity. Align actions and behavior with values of righteousness, thereby earning trust and respect from oneself and others. These few comments included in the 26 laws complement the core values of Anti-Semite Sinners Anonymous movement. Peace.